Hey everyone, in this video I'll be answering the second page of the iGCSE Pearson Edexcel Maths paper of November 2022, which I forgot to mention in my previous video, which consists of questions 5 and 6. And once again, I'll give a brief introduction to myself. My name is Charbel, and I am a first year student at university accepted to UCL, University of Birmingham, St. Andrews, Sheffield, Lancaster, and Bristol. Once again, this is the foundation paper for the Edexcel syllabus, to which you can only get a maximum grade of a C, no matter how well you do. So I don't see why anybody would want to do this unless they are severely lacking in mathematical capability and also can't be bothered to improve and don't need to improve, which is probably the most important aspect of choosing this. But nonetheless, I digress. We're gonna get started. So question 5, very simple algebraic understanding question. It says to simplify 3 by w by 5 by t. So first, let's get the numbers out the way. So 3 by 5 is 15. So to continue, well, before I continue, I just gotta mention, it really does not matter where each thing is. For example, if it was t multiplied by w multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, it's the same thing as this. It's the same. It really does not matter what order you multiply in. Virtually anything. So, since we have 15 now, we can say it's 15 multiplied by w multiplied by t. Now, whenever you have a variable such as w or t, you should just treat them like your common x that you typically see in such questions. And so just slap them next to the number that you have. You can go 5wt. That's simply it. There is nothing more complex to this. Just put the letters next to the number and you're done. Because the letters don't have a defined value to them. So you just assumingly plop them together. That's it. Now question 6. This is the first multiple mark question in the paper. And it states that Faye is planning a trip to a theme park for one adult and 2 children. There are the costs for the trip. Well, these are the costs. Sorry, I'm pretty sleepy right now. I'm just doing this for fun. Total cost for petrol is £23. Tickets to the theme park is £33 for each adult, £24.50 each child. Meals is £15 each adult, £10 for each child. So Faye has a £200 budget to spend. She pays all the costs. How much money does she have left? Just an important thing to point out, this is a non-calculator paper, so all arithmetic will have to be done by hand. So she has £200 and she has to spend everything essentially. Well, not everything, but she has to be within the budget for one adult and 2 children. Obviously, she is going to be in the budget. Now we have to calculate the change. So 1 adult and 2 children. Now she has a fixed price of £23 for her petrol, and so we do 200 minus 23, which is £177. That's a non-negotiable variable within this, has to be deducted. Now, regarding the tickets and the meals, we're going to go one by one with the adult and the children. So, for the tickets, let's do T. She has to pay £33 for herself and £15 for a meal, which is £48. For the actually probably should change to adult. There you go. Now for the children, she has to pay £24.50 plus £10 multiplied by 2, since there are 2 children, which would be £34.5 multiplied by 2, which would be 69. Okay. And so now we should probably just add these to make sure we don't make a mistake. So 69 plus 48 would be 117 pounds. And so that's how much she's gonna have to spend on the tickets and the meals for everybody in the little group. So since she has 177 pounds left, we subtract 117, which we get 60 pounds. So she remains with 60 pounds after spending everything for everyone. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.